So welcome to another lesson on soundproofing. Today is a little different because I'm actually doing this in the midst of moving, and so I don't have my crazy 4K camera and everything set up, but I still wanted to deliver you guys some amazing content this week and put together a video. And so I actually built this Soundproof Studio calculator. It's going to be available in the link in the bottom of this video, so you can sign up and watch it right away and use this along with me in the video. And I'm going to explain kind of how this calculator works, and this will give you an accurate view of exactly how much your studio is going to cost. It's built for people in the United States, but I think you'll find that if you're in other countries, it could be valuable. But specifically, I designed it for people in the U.S. So I'm going to start off by creating a fictional studio based off somebody I just talked to on a call today, actually. So I'll put it in California. You're going to notice this is going to create an index. So every state has its own index number here. And California is one of the more expensive ones, whereas if we went to like Arkansas, for example, you'll notice it's a little bit less, and then Alabama's a little bit less there. And this is all based off of data that ChatGPT came up with for the different cost of construction in different states. So pretty cool. That was all something I was curious about. Let's just say it's 350 square feet, just to change that. You can do that to whatever you want. Let's say our studio height is going to be 8.5 feet, and let's say we want to put in a window and it's going to be 15 square feet, and we can do this two different ways. So we can do custom glass by the square footage, which is what I prefer, and it'll pull from there. Or you can just say, oh, I'm going to do an OEM units by count, which is a manufactured window. I don't usually use this because the cost of the windows is not going to be quite as exact, but you could do that if you're going to get manufactured windows. Let's say we're going to just have one soundproof door. This does not include double doors. So if you have one doorway with two doors, you would want to still put that for a communicating door. So we're going to have a single door in this studio. Then this is really cool. We can decide how many layers of drywall we want to have. So you can just pull this slider over and you can go up to 4 layers of drywall, which is the max I ever do when I'm designing. And down to 1, which I never recommend, but usually 2 is pretty good. Let's just stick with 2 for this studio. And then you can choose if you want to do the SPYS mix, Soundproof Your Studio mix, which is my custom or my signature double stud wall with the ceiling clips. Or you could do all clips and channel, which would be clips on your walls, clips on your ceiling. And you could do all double stud with the ceiling being standard, which honestly I don't usually ever do, but it's on there. And then there's custom, which you can choose one of these. So the wall assembly could be double stud, and then the ceiling could be standard. It's all good. Maybe in the future I'll update it to having independently framed ceilings, but we honestly use clips and channel pretty much for everything. So I'm going to just go with the SPYS mix, which will automatically make it like that. Then we come down to HVAC and ventilation. ChatGPT and I decided to keep this, standard with what I usually see. So I spent $7,000 on my mini split. In retrospect, I might have gotten ripped off, but that's how much it costs. I think it ranges from about $3,500 to $9,000 depending on installer fees. So hopefully you can do less, but I just keep that as a nice middle of the road, hopefully. And then I think this is pretty accurate. We recommend the Brone AI ERV, which is about $1,200. And then when you include the baffle boxes and labor, I think $4,000 is fair for your ventilation system. If you're doing a system with just, your HVAC system all in one, you could just put that in here and delete that. So this is very customizable. Then we come down to the installed cost, which is this is like the coolest thing. So if you click this checkbox on and off, this is ChatGPT is pulling all this information from like Home Advisor, other different things that it researched, and it's compiling the cost per square footage based on typical costs around the United States. And so this is going to be for, your stud walls, and it's factoring in the square footage and the ceiling height that you did. So this is pretty sick. And then we also did this where we can break up materials and labor based on the typical difference between the materials and the labor costs involved. So this is showing you kind of a general idea. And some people ask me, well, can I change this? I'm like, no, you can't change this in the calculator, but you can make a spreadsheet based off of this and kind of start messing around with the numbers yourself. So use this as a tool to get started. And then the only other thing, so that brings up our total subtotal cost here, which is 38,000. It doesn't include, I believe this doesn't include the detached shell, which would be if you're building outside. For this example, I'm kind of imagining I'm building in like a garage or something. So then this is the materials versus labor pre-index. So this is before we use the index for the state that you're in. So installed pre-index is going to be 38,310 for an existing structure, and then 47,957 for a detached backyard studio. Now we go down here and we add the index. So you can see how that increased by several $1,000s because we're in California, which is realistic. Same with the outside. And then you might notice like, oh my God, what is going on here? And this is what typically happens in construction. So a 20% buffer here is added for taxes, for shipping costs, for extra screws, for all the little tiny things that are not in this baseline cost up above. And this is very typical of construction, that you have a 20% buffer on your baseline. And you could go off this number, but then you'd be even smarter to add what's called a 30% overrun. Now, 30% overrun is on the highest end, but what we do in specialty soundproofing projects is complex, unique, and different than your typical home build. So having a buffer is super smart. Now, some of you guys might be like, oh my God, we're going to add 50% to this price. And you might say that's stupid. And you can say that. But I will tell you that these numbers, as I'm looking at them right here, this is falling more in the reality of what I'm seeing in the market these days. Something down here, very hard to achieve. So this calculator, as much as you may hate it, is going to give you a more realistic view, I believe, on how much your project is going to cost. And down here, you can see some of the assumptions that ChatGPT has done with this calculator. Estimates are for early planning, final pricing bids, and all that fun stuff. For a detailed estimate, request a Soundproof Clarity Call, which, by the way, guys, since I'm on my website, I will show you that you can just go to book a call right here if you're interested in your project. And then you just click on this book a call button, and la-di-da-di-da, you can prepare, it's preparing motion. And you can pick a time on my calendar here. So like if you want to talk to me on Tuesday, put it in, tell me a little bit about your project, and schedule that event. I got all these times available. Actually, Thursday I'm moving, so that's got to be changed. But other than that, I have lots of times available. So definitely jump on the schedule if you guys are interested. And per usual, another thing is if you are trying this, if you're doing this for the first time, you know, you're looking at this and you're like, oh my God, that budget is way too much money and I don't know about this, take a deep breath and sign up for my free soundproofing workshop. Again, that's a great place to go. I don't know if I can click on this. Let's see. Let me get back over here. The soundproofing workshop is basically if you click the Soundproof Your Studio button and you just go to, actually, I don't know if the workshop's on there. You got to go to soundproofyourstudio.com/workshop. That's what you got to do. And you can sign up right away here, get instant access to the workshop. And this, guys, is going to be the best thing. So soundproofyourstudio.com/workshop. If you're still trying to learn, if you want to get some more information, you don't feel ready yet, this is awesome. And I give a ton of free bonuses in that workshop, so definitely check it out. All right, guys, thanks for this sort of non-traditional YouTube video that I just had to make. I was close to missing a week, and I was like, nope, can't happen. So I hope this has been helpful, and I'll see you all next week with more information on soundproofing and room acoustics. Thanks so much for watching.